we are looking at how to pronounce this letter with this accent on top of it, an acute accent. This is, as far as I understand, used mainly in French. This by itself, the letter with the accent, is a preposition in French, and it is found also within words, just like in the word voilà in French. So by itself, as well as when it is used within a word, well, this letter with this accent is pronounced as a, just like the letter A in French. Really, the accent doesn't make any difference to the pronunciation. A. Note that an A without the accent in French is the verb avoir, to have. If you have the accent on the A here, then it becomes that preposition a. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French vocabulary, French names also whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.